Hi everyone, I'm Thiago Prego and I'm here in this series of videos to teach you how to build a system to monitor the temperature and humidity. As an example, I'm going to use two rooms, my kitchen and my master bedroom. And for that, we are going to need some devices, but before showing you which devices we need, I'm going to show you how your system is going to look like. And here in this example, I created a dashboard, like a chart, more chart than a dashboard, to to monitor the temperature and humidity of both rooms in the same chart. So here we are looking a day back from 8:22, the time right now as I'm recording this video, up to 1 day backward. And this chart we can change the time span. There are several predefined time intervals. By standard, I'm using a whole day, 24 hours. You can use 2 days, 3 days, a whole week. This system is up, I think, more than 2 weeks, so maybe we can see a whole month. So that's the chart page that I built, and as we can see, there's a more like a dashboard where you can see the last data that was acquired. Here we have timestamp where when the last sample was taken, and here it's a trending curve, but as we click on it, we got the whole chart, whole graph. It's the same chart as we click in temperature or humidity from the master bedroom and from the kitchen. Okay, and I created one with only temperature just for fun. Okay, so in this whole series of videos, I'm going to teach you how to build this system. I'm using OpenHab version 3.0. I'm using this notebook as a server for OpenHab, and I'm using a remote server to put the data, and I'm also using a local Raspberry Pi to do the same thing, an OpenHab server, and using the same remote server to get the same data so we can compare something. I'm going to make a video explaining that. So to build this system that I'm showing you now, you're going to need a computer to be your OpenHab server, and you're going to need a protoboard. You're going to need an ESP8266, and this sensor, it's AM2302 DHT22 sensor, temperature and humidity sensor. I'm using this notebook as a server, but I'm also using a Raspberry Pi. This is the first version, well, the second version, Raspberry Pi B+. It's really slow, so OpenHab recommends using Raspberry Pi 3 or 4, but this is a device that I already had, so I'm using that and I'm comparing both of them, and I'm going to make a video comparing some functionalities, some differences on using a notebook or a desktop as your OpenHub server and Raspberry Pi. And also I'm using Windows 10 as my operational system. So just to show more functionalities of OpenHub, it's a really good platform to build your system, your smart home system, but it's not limited to a home, to a house, to an apartment. In our next video, I'm going to talk about ESP8266 and how to create a hello world using ESP and the DHT22 sensor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, if you have any ideas, if you have any questions, you can write a comment. I'm going to answer as best as I can, and I hope to see you in our next video. May God bless you. Bye.